Check out the whips over here, man. Crazy. There's a very special car all the way from Delhi. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Today or tonight we're headed out to Raymond grounds in Thane because Mr. Singhania is celebrating 100 years of his company, and he's having obviously him being a car enthusiast, one of the biggest car enthusiasts in India. He's throwing a huge event for the 100 years with over I'm guessing like 200 cars, 150 cars. Crazy amount. Supercars, vintages, modern classics, tuner cars, you know, all like German souped up cars. So Sean's right behind me. His R8's in Mumbai. He just shipped it over from Hyderabad. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun weekend. Today we're gonna drop off the cars. Gonna give you a little sneak peek. Tomorrow we're headed over to Mr. Singhania's house for a private dinner and cocktail night, I guess. And yeah, Sunday we're gonna be headed out for the event itself to check it out, and it's gonna be a good time. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Long way to go to Thane, but luckily it's at night, so the traffic's gonna be less. You can see all the cars. Little sneak peek. All these modern classics. Oh my god! So we're just about to enter. Have a good time. So we just got here. Here's a little sneak preview, guys. All the supercars out front. Damn, they got a lot of cars. Crazy lineup. Crazy. GTR. Sean's R8, the fastest car in the country right now. There's Joey's Ashton. We got obviously the other fastest car in the country. Insane. So bro,
I'm the brand ambassador of
Horsepower Cartel, Hyderabad branch.
Hyderabad.
So what do you think, bro?
Good stuff so far.
I saw your car, bro.
You like it?
Yeah, fastest car in the country. Okay, let me go park.
Yeah.
Sean's R8. So sick. And of course, it's missing a parachute because he burned it off last time. But it's all good. Here's a very special car all the way from Delhi. 812 Competition. This belongs to a very good friend of ours, VJ. He also got his Pista convertible, Aparta, whatever you want to call it, Spider, and his Speciale with a very special spec. Look at this. It's yellow. Like, I don't know how it's going to look on the camera, but yellow on yellow. In person, it looks phenomenal. I don't know how it's going to look on the camera to you guys, but this is insane. Another Pista F8. Got another 488. And we got Joey's F430 Scuderia. This car, you haven't seen it in a while. I don't think this has been on the channel. Here it is. The only Scuderia in India. Guys, check it out. The 812 got carbon fiber wheels. That's not a dip. That's actual carbon fiber. Insane. Got some GTRs here. Some cars from Hyderabad. AMG GTs. So sick.
Horsepower Cartel. Like, share, subscribe.
This guy, bro, it's not Independence Day, bro.
Hey, welcome to Thane. Nawab of Thane is right here, Mr. Zishan Khan.
Nice lineup. So the Porsche lineup is over here. So sick. All the Porsches are lined up as far as the eye can see. And of course, we have my M3 all the way back there somewhere. But it's cool. Sick. Oh, this Genum's GT3 throwing manual. Damn. Sick lineup. It's going to be a good one, boys. Can't wait. Joey's GT3 RS. SVJ's just pulled in from Bangalore. At the Bangalore SVJ.
The next day.
So, that's where we're going to be going. Right there. So, what's up, guys? Day 2 of the celebration. We weren't there today at Thane, but we're on our way to Mr. Singhania's house right now for the cocktail party. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. That's exactly where we're going, all the way up there. It's gonna be a good time. Wow, man, what a crazy house. Raymond sign. Insane. Supposedly there's a party on the helipad, so really excited for that. Mr. Zishan's here. First time both of these are together. So this is not exactly like a tan. It's a little on the lighter side, and then obviously this is the desert sand. It's a little more earthy, and that's a little more girthy. Right, Zishan?
What's up?
He's back from Boston. So we're here now at Mr. Singhania's helipad. You having a good time, Jay? Good, it's a welcome back party just for you. See you, bro. We love you so much. Check out the view from the house. That's the coastal road. How sick is that? So this is the helipad.
Yeah.
So sick.
2 days later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today with my boy Rishabh.
What's up, guys?
In his M340i. And sick front lip and carbon fiber parts, bro. Where'd you get it from?
Santosh.
Where?
You really like listening a lot. I don't know what to tell you.
We're on our way to the Raymond Thane ground to the event. And I've been a really bad car enthusiast because I haven't been there for the last 2 days. And this is the last day, and I'm going on the last day, but it's okay. Better late than never, right?
We're partying the entire weekend and
Yeah, we did party hard this weekend, so.
you slept at 6, 7?
Anyways, yeah, let's go. So we're in the trenches of Thane thanks to Rishabh.
I took one right turn.
One wrong turn. Yeah, it was a right turn, but it was a wrong turn. So we're just in the trenches now.
We just crossed a few chicken shops.
Chicken chops. The girl making some
rangoli.
rangoli on the streets.
Speed breakers.
Speed breakers. Probably gonna need a new front lip after this trip. But yeah, what was 16 minutes is now showing.
17 minutes.
Yeah, well, we're showing 21 minutes 10 minutes ago.
Okay, we made it.
Alright, let's go.
Oh boy.
Thane. Oh, was that your lip?
No, you mad about it.
Damn. So this has the M Performance exhaust. Doesn't have a stock exhaust exactly, but I don't know if you guys can hear the burbles, but yeah. It's coming right out of the Harman Kardon exhaust.
Don't say that.
The
It's
Harman
coming out
Kardon
of the
exhaust. Harman Kardon exhaust. I swear, all you M Light guys drive like your life depends on it.
BMW dropped a comment on one of their posts saying
Yeah,
that
B58 is an M car.
it is.
No, it's not.
Will you argue with them?
Bro, the B series comes in this, the B58 comes in the 7 series.
So
I don't
well,
know.
an M7,
What-
740, M, whatever.
Well, comment below if you guys think the M340i is an M car. Let's see.
It is.
Let's see what they say. We just got here. It's completely packed. A lot of people showed up.
The wrong turn that I took got us to the right place.
Kind of, but yeah. I mean, it kind of worked out in our favor. So, yeah. Let's see.
Santosh would have had to walk a few minutes in the heat.
That's fine. We all get tanned. We just got in here. Thanks to
no,
R1.
Yo, you guys don't place your bro. These are the stalls, yo.
We're just about
Don't
to.
get stuck there, dude.
What's up?
Yeah, don't follow that.
Look at this. It's insane. Insane. And they're going drifting, I guess. We're finally here. Got a Ultimate Roadster, Hurricane Evo. All these cars from Hyderabad really pulled up. Our cars are over there somewhere, like I showed you before. But how sick is this? So many cars, as far as the eye can see. What do you think, bro? Now, Mr. Keki making some important calls.
We have Wild Child's car right here.
Yeah. Look at this on bags. Joey's CTR, Zorawa's, Joey's Rapide, or no, sorry, Vantage. What am I saying, Rapide?
What's it done now?
Joey's GTR, I mean, Imran's GTR. Damn, we got the news channel here, bro.
2-in-1, cameraman and news reporter.
Cameraman and news reporter. Damn. Crowd control.
You catch Robert down on the other side.
Yeah, moment of. Check out the whips over here, man. Crazy. Insane. F8. SVJ's 458 Speciale along with his Pista Spider. Another Pista. Got another F8 over there. Another 488. And then down there, Joey's Scuderia. One of one in the country. Gotta give it up to Mr. Singhania for putting this together, man. Insane. Lovely. The other side now. All the Porsches look so good. Definitely an upgrade from the F80. If I ever sell it, I have to get a 911. They're so nice. Right, Rishabh?
What?
You get rid of the F80, we have to get a 911. That's the only big, Turbo S. Sick. This is a 1,000 horsepower one, by the way. 1,000 horsepower. It's detuned right now, but 1,000 horsepower. Crazy.
Used to shake too much.
Crazy, man. Look at the wing game on this. Big wing gang.
What's more?
Awesome. Big shout out to Mr. Singhania for letting everyone see the display of these beautiful cars. So sick. Let's walk outside. It's mayhem everywhere. Check it out, guys. Mr. GS leading the way in the choo-choo train.
Said we're from Club of Thane. Imi! Yeah, it's not Imi, bro.
So before I get copyrighted, here's another vintage car section. Insane. I gotta give it up to the Supercar Club Garage team. This is insane. This is legit a crazy auto fest, man. There's people camping and not camping, but chilling on the floor like it's a picnic. Music playing, people having a good time. It's awesome. This is the vintage bike section. What a crazy display. Crazy display. Every single type of car and bike is here. All the boys here. The boys from Bangalore, somewhere there. Oh yeah! All the cars are just loading up. Crazy event, man. Seriously. Like, Mr. Singhania, hats off to you and your team. Like, seriously, like, you know, spending all this time and effort and mostly your own money to put something together like this. So selfless of him, and like made everyone enjoy. You know, like he'd even charge anyone entry for you know, coming and watching the show, which is really nice of him. And yeah, gonna call it a night, and hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And Ruel, we miss you. As you guys can see, we need Ruel, man. He's traveling, he's a globetrotter now. So yeah, let's go. Cold start after 3 days, I would say. Damn. The night didn't end there, as you saw. Shout out to Aditya and Farhan for some shots. I put them in the car. We got some shots. We're gonna grab some food. And yeah, crazy night. Turned out crazy after the show. It was insane, dude. That SVJ, the 812, crazy lineup. Got Xavier there with the 981 Cayman S. Just gonna grab some food now. See you guys soon. Fun night. One for the books.